Yeah, what up, family? All right, guys, man. We guys got to pay attention, man. Let's lock in, brother. We got to lock in, bro. We're killing it, man. I've had a very profitable month. And I ain't gonna lie, man. Even in expansion territory now, GJ, we haven't been at these highs since 2008, brother. Let's be real. You guys got to start using this strategy, man. I thought I learned something in the last 10 years of trading. I didn't learn nothing until I learned this. And I learned this about less than a year ago. All right. So you guys got to really lock in, man. Because I promise you, brother, you got to start trading like you're at a junior desk trader learning. Right? If you can Google this, man, this is exactly, ask ChatGPT if you're so skeptical. Is it true that junior desk traders use accumulation distribution and they use volume profile indicator along with the 50, the 200, and the 300 SMA? I guarantee you it's going to tell you yes. This is very proven. This is how junior desk traders are trading, and Goldman Sachs here that trade GBP flows. You need to understand that. You guys got to lock in, man. You guys got to really lock in. Right? Now, look at this, right? So let's go over some trades that I took. I've been killing it, man. I'm sorry, man. I say that humbly, bro. I've been fucking killing it. Like, dude, literally, bro. So, number one, we're trending, correct? We're in a trending market. We're trending 100%. And this is the trade that I took, correct? Now, I ain't gonna lie. This was a scaling trade. This was two trades. That's why there's two of these things here. So now one thing off the back, you already see that, look, we have highs over here. You guys can watch all my videos on this, man. I've broken this down. Now we have highs here, we have lows here, but we are right here currently. This is where price is at. This is my entry. Now notice how here on the accumulation distribution, my entry is literally breaking highs, but highs have not been broken on the chart. Exactly, brother. That's what the accumulation distribution is, brother. It lets you see where smart money is literally accumulating and distributing orders before they actually happen, my brother. So you're not really guessing. You're literally just seeing it before it happens, right? It's like cheating for real, dude. I'm telling you, man, lock in. So, I took some buys over here, but you're going to notice here how buyers are going to take control. So let's say, for example, where is this at here? Why does this look like this? That's weird. There you go. I was like, why is this bug like that? But anyways, all right, let's see, bro. You see how this point of control right here, underneath here, we're selling. We are selling, but right now it's kind of like a battlefield. So above the point of control, I was bullish, and my accumulation distribution is literally telling me, brother, we're bullish. So I just kind of want to have a little bit more confidence once we start trading above it. And once we start trading above it, like for example, like here in my entries, now we're trading above. That's when I got in, man. This is exactly around 12 o'clock, 12:30. And then you'll notice, boom, there you have it. We're trading above the 50 SMA as well. We start instantly rocketing, So this was a solid, beautiful trade that I took over here. Let's keep going. You guys will notice a pattern. So as we're approaching here, notice the point of control. You see how the point of control shows it kind of worked out. Finally, I'm telling you, TradingView replay mode sucks. It really does, bro. It really does. I'm telling you. But cool. So notice how from this range to this range, the buyers, where are the buyers in control at? The buyers in control right over here, right? So once we started trading above the point of control over here and we got into session, notice how the accumulation distribution, notice how we waked up over here. So, I'm telling you guys, you got to start trading like they trade at Goldman Sachs, brother. How else are you going to trade? You want to trade like your favorite guru who trades on his fake accounts? Come on, brother. You guys sound stupid. You guys literally look stupid trying to be these profitable traders on the internet, brother. Do you want to be a profitable trader on the internet, or do you want to be a profitable trader in real life? You feel me? Like, come on, brother. Get your shit together. My bad, man. I'm just very, very passionate about this. I don't mean to come at you guys like that. Right? So, I'm getting a little aggressive with you guys. My bad. It's not like me. All right, let's keep going. So you guys can see, man, I call all these trades live, man. These are all signals I called in my room. So, my people will. All right. So now here, for example, now let's run everything. So I did a breakdown for this, literally, this trade. On a breakdown live with some people. Well, let's say, for example, let's remove this. Now, this is exactly where I took a buy. So notice here, again, we have highs here. We have my entry, right? So now, again, we broke highs on the accumulation distribution. So we are bullish. We just haven't we haven't broken highs on price yet. But you'll notice. So if we put the volume profile indicator over here, let's say from the list leg right over here. So you'll notice we're there. Oh my God, what is this? Bro, what the? Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Replay mode sucks. Anyways, yeah, that's basically what it's looking like. So yeah, we're bullish. But I'm not sure why the indicator's looking all ugly like that. But that was a good trade that I got into. And won my trade. So I ended up taking a sell trade over here with stops to break even. Which it was a TP1, I'm not gonna lie, but that was it. It wasn't really nothing crazy. The overall pip was like 70 pips, but the trade ended up happening way later on. So if, you know, for example, if I would have just held it and I would have not taken TP1, I definitely would have won that trade overall, the whole entire push. But hey, man, I'm happy with 300 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's like a month of groceries. Nah, I'm just kidding. My grocery share like 600 bucks a month. Damn, my girl can eat, let me tell you. So this was another trade that I took over here. Oh, so I did an actual breakdown video for this one into my group, and I basically explained, man, everything was here. This was the perfect trade. So this was the entry right over here before this whole push. So I'm gonna kind of like go back over here, and you'll notice why I wanted to take this trade. So we have a bullish engulfing candle. We have a bullish engulfing candle. We have the accumulation distribution breaking highs. Price, remember, we're breaking highs over here. So, I mean, as you can see, bro, this is clear as day bullish. Clear as day bullish. All right, yo, before I even finish, man, I'm telling you guys, yo, I switched to this broker, guys. It's a Christian-based broker, man. You know, if you guys know anything about God, you guys know that Elion stands for God the Most High. But brother, I mean, they got 1 pip spreads and $3 commissions. I had to show it to you guys. Definitely. Yo, sign up on my link below. I don't make money here as an affiliate, but the goal is, of course, to get a big network under me so that way I can actually ask for marketing budgets for my YouTube videos, get a professional edits, get professional everything done, or I don't have to pay for it. You know, that shit is expensive, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, if you support your boy, man, come on, man. Look at the vision, bro. You know, you get $3 commission. That's all you pay for lot. And you only get 0 pip spread if you put $1,000 or more. This is institutional pricing, by the way. You get that only if you put like $100 to $1 million anywhere else. Other brokers are going to charge you $10 to $15 per lot, and they're going to charge you $5 markups, which means for opening a trade, it's $5. For closing a trade, it's $5. Plus, you pay the $10 per lot, $15 a lot. You're paying $25 per lot. Have you noticed that? No, you haven't noticed because you don't care, right? So anyways, here we go. Now, all my confluences are here. This is the perfect trade in my opinion. Let's see if the fixed volume profile range indicator is working. Are we there? Yes, we're bullish. So as you can see, all confluences are there. We're bullish. We're above all the SMAs. Bro, this was a perfect trade. For a Friday, you can't beat it, right? So, I mean, hey, dude, you got to understand something, brother. This is very solid. Now, I did see the sell happening like around 11 o'clock my time, but I didn't want to get into it, bro, because I don't really trade that. So this was the sell that I saw. You guys are going to notice. I'll show it to you guys here. No, but if we go from like this, say for example, like this range right here. Now this was a good, this was a pretty decent one I'm seeing here. It's probably not gonna work, but we just try this. So I had yeah, here it is. There was a sell here once we started trading underneath here. And from there, I saw the sell was like 11:30, 12, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna go to bed. I don't trade this time. But I'm kind of rejecting. I'm kind of glad that I didn't take it because it would have been like a 30 pip, crazy pip drop over here. But I mean, it's not the time I trade, man. You know what I'm saying? That last trade that I took last week, like around the same time, 12 o'clock, I was a little nervous. I don't like to feel nervous, bro. I like to feel confident. So, yo, I'm telling you guys, man, we're killing it, bro. We're killing it. And if you guys want to be a part of my groups, man, yo, just link below, bro. Link below. But I'm definitely telling you guys, man, get an account with Elion, bro. I'm telling you, man, it's a Christian-based broker. The founder is a Christian, man. He's built his whole entire brand the last 5 years about being, you know, somebody who can actually receive God's favor when you put God first, man. I'm telling you, man, when you put God first in your journey, and that's what I've been preaching for the last 9 months. When you put God first in your journey, man, he will put you first. So, you know, I'm very happy to be a part of Elion Markets. I don't make money much. What am I going to make? 10 cents if they're charging $3 commission? Remember, I don't really make much here, to be honest. And I won't probably ever make much here. But you know what? My long-term vision is, of course, bring in a big network here And yeah, bro. I mean, damn, I can ask for a marketing budget. Why not? If I'm bringing in traders, bringing in a network, I mean, dude, I mean, come on, bro. We need to get these YouTube videos looking perfect, thumbnails, editors, all that. So how am I gonna do that? If you guys support me and trade in the link, man. I'm telling you guys, man. 1 pip spread. If you trade in with $1,000 or more, you get 0 pip spread. You can't find that nowhere. But hey, $3 commission per lot. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Again, guys, safe conditions. Definitely recommend it. You won't get these conditions unless you're putting in $100,000 anywhere else, man. So, yeah, valid promo.